Today we're throwing down on something that you have never seen before. Bacon wrapped chicken dogs. Kyle, you're Behind BBQ, and today we're knocking out chicken dogs. Yep, that's right. Grilling season is coming. Well, it's still grilling season for us in Arizona. So we're gonna make one of my favorites. It's a crowd favorite. They're chicken dogs, homemade. All right, so here we go. 1 pound of ground chicken, half a cup of cheese, paying attention, half a cup of cooked bacon, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3-ish tablespoons of green onion, that's just for color. Then we're going to use a half a cup of diced onion. Then we're going to use 2 raw eggs. Then we're going to use a half a cup breadcrumbs, half cup of breadcrumbs. Now we are going to season with our Behind BBQ hot honey garlic rub. Now probably a couple tablespoons or do it to taste. You can use any rub you'd like. This is just one of my favorites. Mix that up. Boom. All right, now we mix. Mix all the goodies together. All right, now that it's mixed, we're gonna get our handy dandy cooling rack out. Now let's slide this over here. Now you're gonna start grabbing, and you can make these as big as you want. I kind of just rotate with my hands. Make some chicken dogs. Whew. We're gonna roll this out. You gotta be very gentle with this. Boom. Put it on the rack. All right, get the rest of this. It'll be kind of big here. Mix with your hands. Bada bang. All right, just like that. Now, these are gonna go in the freezer for 30 minutes because I got a cool little trick we doing next. So to the freezer, these go. All right, they were in the freezer for 30 minutes. So now the fun part. Get you some cheap old bacon. Of course, Kyle's wrapping things in bacon. That's how I do it. Start on one end, wrap all the way around. Boom. Get the next one. Start on one end, wrap around. Bada bang. All right. Boom. Chicken dogs. Bacon wrapped chicken dogs. All right, these bad boys are now wrapped, ready to roll. We're gonna fire up the Green Mountain Grill. It's a pellet grill. She's fired up to 300 degrees. We're gonna throw these on there. I'm guessing 1 hour they should be done. Chicken, we cooked to 165. But basically I'm gonna look till the bacon's cooked and then we're gonna do a temp. All right, 1 hour in, let's see where we're at. Woo-hoo-hoo, that bacon crisped up nice. All right, we're gonna poke that in, 177. Woo, 180, those bad boys are done. All right, let's pull these off the grill, take them in the house, dress them up, and get down. All right, our chicken dogs are off the smoker. They smell amazing. I got us some brioche buns. Put her in there like that. Then we're gonna top her with a little mustard. Gotta have mustard on your hot dog. Bada bang. Then since we're at the restaurant, we're gonna use one of our mayo packets. Gotta have mayo on a hot dog, what? Oh, she looks pretty. Boom. All right, screw everybody else. The only thing left to do. All right. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. You impress anybody with this. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.